Assalamualaikum and hi madam. Today we will present the lump sum contract in terms of criteria, requirements, advantages and disadvantages. Before that, allow me to introduce my group members. First, Fariza bin Musyali F1031. Second, Akil Ifan bin Adnan F1038. Thirdly, Amir Insha bin Abdul Rahim F1121. Fourthly, Muhammad Nazri Shah bin Nasaruddin F1075. And lastly, Muhammad Uzair bin Muhammad Husni F1067. Hi everyone. Did you know lump sum contract? A lump sum contract is a type of agreement in which contractor agrees to complete a project for a set price. This type of contract is often used in construction project, but it can also be used for the other types of work. Here are 5 of features of a lump sum contract. Firstly is fixed price. The most important feature of a lump sum contract is that the price is fixed. This means that the contractor agrees to complete the project for a set price, regardless of actual cost of material, labor or other expense. This feature is beneficial to the owner of the project because it provides certainty about the cost of the project. The owner knows exactly how much they will need to pay and they not have to worry about any unexpected costs. Second, detailed scope of work. A lump sum contract requires a detailed scope of work. This scope of work should clearly define the work that the contractor is expected to perform. The scope of work should include all of the material, labor and equipment that the contractor will need to provide. A detailed scope of work is important because it helps to avoid misunderstanding and dispute between the owner and the contractor. If the scope of work is not clearly, the contractor may not able to complete the project for the agreed upon price. Lastly, limited change order. Okay, why at lump sum has a limited change order? This means because change order can be expensive and they can also delay the completion of the project. This feature is beneficial to the contractor because it helps to protect them from financial losses. If the owner requests a change the scope of work, the contractor can refuse to do the work unless they are compensated for the additional costs.
Now, let's turn our attention to the requirements of lump sum contract. Firstly, detailed plans and specifications. The owner must provide a complete and clear set of plans and specifications outlining the project scope, including materials, quality standards, and timelines. This is crucial for the contractor to accurately estimate the cost and avoid disputes later. Secondly is defined scope of work. The scope of work must be clearly defined and agreed upon by both parties, leaving no room for ambiguity. This ensures both parties understand the expectations and deliverables. And lastly, is accurate estimating. The contractor must accurately estimate the total cost of the project, including all labor, materials, equipment, overhead and profit. This ensures the contractor can complete the project within the agreed upon price and time frame.
So here are 3 advantages of lump sum contract in on the side. The first one is predictable cost. The fixed price eliminate the risk of cost overruns, allowing for easier budgeting and financial planning. The second one is increased control. Owner have more control over the project budget and can make change without impacting the overall cost as long as they are within the agreed upon scope of work. So the third one is reduce administrative burdens. With a fixed price, there are less need for detailed cost tracking and approval, which can streamline the project administration process. In contracted sites, first one is potential for higher profit. By completing the project under budget, contractor can earn higher profits. The second one is reduced risk. The fixed price mitigate the risk of incurring unexpected costs due to unforeseen circumstances. The third one is Enhance reputation. Successfully delivering projects under the budget can enhance a contractor's reputation and attract future clients.
While contract lump sum offer advantage like simplicity and clarity, it also comes with certain disadvantages. For both contractor and project owner, here are the key disadvantages. For contractor, increased risk. The contractor bear most of the project risk in the lump sum contract. They are responsible for any unforeseen and circumstance that arise, such as material shortage, labor change, or weather event. Secondly, higher contract pricing. To mitigate the risk, contractor often pack their bid in lump sum contract. This can result in a higher cost for project owner. Thirdly, limited flexibility. Project scope required to change order, which can be time consuming and costly to negotiate. This can limit the project ability to adapt to changing needs. Okay, for owner, limited cost visibility. Project owner may not have full visibility into the actual cost of the project until completion. This can make it difficult to budget accurately and manage project finance effectively. Second, lack of control over cost. Once the contract is signed, project owner have limited control over the final cost of the project. This can make it difficult to stay within budget and manage project risk. Lastly, potential for change order cost. Unforeseen circumstances may require change order, which can significantly increase the project cost. This can put pressure on budget and compromise project goal.
In conclusion, a lump sum contract serves as a valuable tool in construction and project management, offering both advantages and challenges. Its provision of cost certainly and simplified budgeting benefits clients, allowing for accurate financial planning. The clear definition of project scope enhances communication between parties, reducing the likelihood of disputes. However, the inflexibility of lump sum contracts can present challenges, particularly when unforeseen changes or scope revision arise during the project. Contractors bear a significant amount of risk, requiring meticulous planning and effective risk management to ensure profitability. The success of lump sum contracts hangs on a detailed initial assessment of project requirements, as inaccuracies during the bidding phase can lead to complications during execution.